Let's talk about the voting tool that is in Figma. This is amazing. Let me just tell you, I'm going to click on that little record again, and down at the bottom, there is our voting tool. So first thing I need to do is type what I want the students to vote on. Which one do you like? And how many times they can vote. And then I start. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some words out here. I'm going to put steak, and I'm going to put hot dogs. I'm getting hungry. And I'm going to put hamburgers. And I'm going to let them vote 3 times, and so they can vote for which one that they want. It's just 3 times. That's as many times as they can vote. Now, if I see who voted, it shows that I voted, and it shows that Digital Badges voted. And it's going to show me where the votes are. And over on to the left side, it's going to actually show me those votes individually. That's awesome. Thanks for watching. And if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Figma.